Mass customization are the key words when industry is trying to respond to modern buyers' need to be unique in a globalized society. Choosing the preferred combination of collar and cuffs for your shirt or assembling the perfect sofa size and accessories for your living room are part of the normal expectations of today's customer. All these products start with a design and a set of parts. The number of possible combination of variants for customizing a product raises exponentially with the number of existing options. It is common for producers of sofas to store few hundreds possible style versions for each model they produce. To create and manage these hundreds of versions is labor-intensive and a permanent source of errors. Gemini Pattern Designer 17 comes with a radical solution for this problem by introducing the new Style Selector module. Instead of creating the huge number of combined model variants, Gemini is focused on creating the dialogue by which the customer will customize its product. This dialogue is a simple list of questions, and all answers available for each question in that product. For each answer, the designer will define an associated list of actions to be triggered, such as adding or removing parts or changing the fabric type or quantity for other parts. By obtaining customers' answer to each question, the initial stock of parts existing in the model is filtered and only the needed parts are included in the set to be cut. Quantity of parts are automatically multiplied and transformed if necessary. The whole point is that the variant is created on demand based on the preferences of the customer, and there is no need to build in advance hundreds of possible combinations. It's easy to notice that this system based on questions and answers is actually similar to the dialogue existing on any website selling such customizable goods. Based on this fact, the real breakthrough is the ability of Gemini Pattern Designer to generate automatically the interactive content of the product's web page. Once the internal set of questions, answers, and additional resources such as photos and explanations is ready, it can be exported in HTML format on a simple click. Just add a CSS mask and you have the new sofa ready to publish on your eShop in seconds or to send it to your point of sale. The Style Selector module includes also an advanced system for handling logical conditions dictated by certain answers or questions. For example, if the customer will answer, "I do not want pockets on my shirt," the next question, "Do you want round or straight pocket?" will no longer be displayed. This eliminates any need for further programming before publishing the page on the internet. Adding or removing an option is just a matter of changing a text line in a table, and all these changes can be immediately updated on the website. After the customer passes through all questions and finishes customizing its product, the website generates a file and sends it back to Gemini Pattern Designer to be processed in order to generate the correct set of components needed for that product. And we do not talk only about textile parts. Gemini Pattern Designer goes beyond and includes also the capacity to handle the inventory of other components not related to textiles, such as wood frame components, electrical accessories, or even packaging. When customizing goods which require resizing, such as made-to-measure shirts or suits, the Style Selector module works together with Gemini MTM module, so the entire workflow is fully automated. The next steps in manufacturing process will have access to these results generated by Style Selector module. The inventory of textile parts, resized on custom dimensions, grouped by fabric types, nested and ready to cut. The instructions for fabrics warehouse for retrieving the needed types and quantities. The inventory of auxiliary components for other departments. The files needed by ERP or CRM systems to plan production or to instantly calculate the costs. Gemini Cad Systems invites you to further explore this innovative solution and to find together how Style Selector can bring savings and efficiency to your business. Thank you for watching this video.